Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a flash shake effect in Capcut. Want this? Let's get started. First, prepare your video. Then go to Effects and select Video Effects. Select Shake. Select Object and choose All Videos option. Set keyframes like me. For the first keyframe, adjust speed and intensity to 0. For the second keyframe, adjust speed and intensity to 100. And for the third keyframe, adjust speed and intensity to 0. Select Copy and do like me. Then go to Video Effects and select Vertical Blur. Select Copy and do like me. Now for white flash effect, you need to go to Overlay and add white background. Adjust the size to full screen. Then select Blend and select Overlay. Select Animation and select Fade Out. Select Copy and do like me. And finally export the video. Thank you guys for watching my video.